Myself, I am K. Varsha of 9th standard. Today we are here perform ISKCON designers Who Am I activity. In this, joining with me Miss Aisha for presenting hints about the famous person. Miss Uma Maheshwari for presenting name of the famous person. Over to Aisha.
Thank you over to Miss Varsha for presenting hints about the famous person. Thank you over to Miss Varsha introducing. Now I am here to tell about hints about the famous person. Hint 1. He was born on 1933 in Jharkhand. 1903 in Jharkhand. Hint 2. He was the sportsman and educationalist. Hint 3. He was the founder of Adivasi Mahasabha. Hint 4. Later he was the founder of Jharkhand Party. Hint 5. He was died on 1970. Over to Uma.
Thank you, Miss Aisha, for presenting hints about the famous person. Now I am here to tell the name of famous person. Can you guess who am I? Who knows the answer? Please come on the dais and tell the answer. The answer is Jaipal Singh. Thank you for giving this great opportunity. Have a nice day.
Speech activity by 9th class boys.
A warm and healthy morning to all. I am D. Mohammed Sail of 9th standard in Vijayan English Medium High School.
A pleasant morning to you all. My name is P. Nityananda Reddy of 9th standard in Vijayan English Medium School.
Today we are here to give speech about Ganesh Chaturthi. Ganesh Chaturthi is the Hindu festival celebrated every year. Ganesh Chaturthi is Lord Ganesh is the son of Shiva and goddess Parvati. It is celebrated in the month of August to September.
During festival, people bring idol of Ganapati to homes and worship to their full of devotion. Devotees offer modak laddu to Lord Ganesha. Children are dear to Lord Ganesha, and they call him Mitra Ganesha. Ganesh Chaturthi spreads happiness, joy and unites people. Thank you for us this great opportunity. Have a nice day.
Today some of our friends celebrating their birthdays. I request birthday buddies please come up and do their
Today Lohit of 7th standard and Mokshita of 6th standard, they are going to celebrate their birthdays. Let us all together wish them. So Ravi and Chekri, best friends of Lohit, and Vishalakshi and Harshita, come up on stage. Many more happy returns of the day. May God bless you both of you. Want to tell anything about your friend? Share something about your friend.
In Sankranti time we played a lot.
In Sankranti time everyone played a lot. Some more, any other? Give suggestions to your friend.
Learn more and more.
Learn?
More and more.
Okay. He's giving suggestion, learn more and more. Okay, and next time you should also get badge. So that is your wish, right? Good. Any wishes from your side?
I am to have.
Okay.
I pray to God her dreams are true.
Dreams comes true. Okay, good. So your friend is saying that she is very lucky to have friend like you. So and her wish also is your success. So definitely. Okay, all the best, both of you. So, good morning, my dear students. So first of all, I wish you all happy Ganesh Chaturthi in advance. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So we are going to celebrate festival tomorrow. Already you are in festival mood, right? So I have given some vocabulary words related to festival and I sent those words to your WhatsApp groups and I'll write words on board also. So those words useful in this festival. Normally those words are useful. So festival time we use those words. So that type of words like idol, immersion, auction, these type of words I have given to you. So learn the words and use those words while communicating with others related to that particular situation. Okay. And today's STs, 6th, 7th Telugu ST and 8th and 9th Social ST, right? So first I'll start with 6th standard B section, boys section, 6th standard B section, roll number 5. Is there roll number 5? Come up on stage. Introduce yourself and tell about today's ST. What did you learn for ST? First introduce yourself.
My name is Shanwaz. I am studying 6th standard in Vijayan English Medium School. Today ST is Telugu. నా భూమి అన్న భూమి పక్కును నవ్వు ధనము చూసి దానహీను చూసి ధనము నవ్వు విశ్వరామ వినురవేమ.
Next, 6th standard A section, roll number 30 from 6th standard A section. Not there here. Okay, what is your roll number? Okay, roll number 16 from 6th standard A section, come up on stage. Roll number 16. Introduce yourself first. Tell your name.
My name is Y Lakshmi. I am 6th standard student.
What did you learn for today's ST?
Today ST Telugu.
What did you learn for ST? So after going home, villagers are not learning. Some of the villagers they are learning. Some of the students they are not learning, and at least they don't recognize the ST is there tomorrow. So why I don't know. You should concentrate. Villagers mainly I am saying to you. And now 9th standard boys, roll number 50. He is roll number 50. Okay, roll number 52. 52 is Karthik. Okay, roll number 60.
Good morning to one and all. Let me introduce myself. I am Charan Sark, 9th standard. Today ST is social. What was apartheid? The official racial separation and ill treatment of blacks followed by government of South Africa between 1948 and 1989. I have fought against black domination and I have fought against black domination. Who said this sentence? Nelson Mandela said this sentence. On what basis the system of apartheid has divided people? The system of apartheid divided the people on the basis of their skin color. Thank you for giving me this great opportunity. Have a nice day.
I request all of you please